Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about p block elements. The subtopic is allotropic form of sulfur. Yes, allotropic form of sulfur. They are classified into crystalline form of sulfur, also known as rhombic sulfur. The rhombic sulfur is also known as alpha sulfur. Alpha sulfur. The monoclinic sulfur is also known as beta sulfur. The plastic sulfur also known as gamma sulfur, and milk of sulfur, colloidal sulfur are there. They are allotropic form of sulfur. Okay, first of all we are discussing about rhombic sulfur. The rhombic sulfur also known as alpha sulfur. In all the sulfur allotropic forms, the thermodynamical stable at ordinary temperature only rhombic sulfur. The rhombic sulfur is yellow in color. It exists sulfur 8 molecule. The rhombic sulfur can be converted into 96 degrees Celsius. At 90 degrees Celsius, it is interconvertible. That is monoclinic sulfur, and upon cooling below 96 degrees Celsius, beta form converts in back to alpha form. It is important one. Asking one more question. Once again I am repeating. The allotropic form of sulfur, the crystalline form, that is rhombic sulfur also known as alpha sulfur, and monoclinic sulfur, beta sulfur, plastic sulfur also known as gamma sulfur, milk of sulfur, and colloidal sulfur. Rhombic sulfur is also known as alpha sulfur. It is thermodynamically stable at ordinary temperature, is yellow in color. It exists sulfur 8 molecule. The rhombic sulfur interconvertible at 96 degrees Celsius to monoclinic sulfur. Upon cooling below 96 degrees Celsius, beta form converts back to alpha form. Next, monoclinic sulfur. Monoclinic sulfur also contains sulfur 8 molecule. It is added the small amount of sulfur 6 molecule. It is exists as a long needle like prism, and also called as plastic sulfur. It is stable between 96 degrees Celsius to 119 degrees Celsius and slow changes into rhombic sulfur. When molten sulfur is poured into the cold water, a yellow color rubbery ribbon of plastic sulfur is formed. It is very soft in nature, they stitched easily. So it is slowly becomes hard and stable rhombic sulfur. The sulfur exists liquid form and gaseous form. At 140 degrees Celsius, monoclinic sulfur melts the mobile pale yellow liquid called gamma lambda sulfur. The liquid sulfur consists of 90% of sulfur 8 and sulfur 7 and sulfur 6 molecule. The small amount of mixture of sulfur 2, sulfur 3, sulfur 4 and sulfur 5 molecules are exhibited. Next topic. The sulfur dioxide is prepared from sulfur. The sulfur undergoes oxidation reaction to give sulfur dioxide. The sulfur undergoes oxidation reaction with the excess of oxygen to form 2 moles of sulfur trioxide from sulfides ore. For example, zinc sulfide undergoes oxidation reaction to give zinc oxide and 2 moles of sulfur dioxide. Fe, ferrous sulfide, is treated with oxygen to form ferric oxide and 8 moles of sulfur dioxide. It is important methods for the preparation of sulfur dioxide gas. Next, properties of sulfur dioxide. The sulfur dioxide gas found in the volcanic eruption. The large amount of sulfur dioxide from power plants. Many power plants are there. Coal power plants and oil plants, copper plants. Is excess of sulfur dioxide is prepared from the power plants. The sulfur dioxide gas is a colorless, at the same time is more soluble in water. The 2.2 times heavier than air is important one. 2.2 times heavier than air. Sulfur dioxide can be liquefied by at a 2.5 atmospheric pressure and 2.5 atmospheric pressure and 263 Kelvin. The chemical properties of sulfur dioxide. The sulfur dioxide is a acidic nature. The sulfur dioxide undergoes hydrolysis reaction to give hyposulfurous acid H2SO3. H2SO3 undergoes decomposition into 2 moles of hydride ion H plus ion, that is a dibasic acid. Sulfur trioxide ions also formed. Next, the sulfur dioxide already know that acidic nature, so is treated with sodium hydroxide to form sodium bisulfite. The 2 moles of sulfur dioxide is treated with sodium carbonate and water to form sodium hydrogen sulfide or sodium bisulfite with carbon dioxide gas also evolved. Now 2 moles of sodium bisulfite undergoes decomposition reaction to form sodium sulfite, water and sulfur dioxide gas evolved. Write a note on oxidizing power of sulfur dioxide is an important 2 mark question. Here the 2 moles of hydrogen sulfide is treated with sulfur dioxide to give 3 moles of sulfur and water molecules obtained. Next, the metal is a very good oxidizing metal is a magnesium is treated with sulfur dioxide to give magnesium oxide and sulfur is evolved. Next, the reducing property is a sulfur dioxide and water chlorine to give H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, and 2 moles of HCl. Next reducing property of sulfur dioxide is potassium permanganate is treated with 5 moles of sulfur dioxide and water to give potassium sulfate and manganese sulfate and sulfuric acid. Potassium permanganate is treated with sulfur dioxide with water to give potassium sulfate, manganese sulfate and sulfuric acid. Next, the potassium dichromate is treated with 3 moles of sulfur dioxide with acidic medium, which means sulfuric acid, to form potassium sulfate and chromium sulfate and water. These are very good reducing agent evidence. Next one, reaction with oxygen. Sulfur dioxide undergoes oxidation reaction at a high temperature to give sulfur trioxide. And bleaching action, 3 mark question. Write a note on bleaching action of sulfur dioxide or write down the equation for bleaching action of sulfur dioxide. It's very important one for 3 mark question. Sulfur dioxide is treated with water to give 2 moles of sulfuric acid and 2 moles of hydrogen gas evolved, which means X compound is treated with 2 moles of hydrogen to form x mole of hydrogen hydrates are formed. This is very important, the bleaching action of sulfur dioxide. Okay students, next topic is very important, one mark question. Uses of sulfur dioxide. The sulfur dioxide is used in bleaching action of bleaching hair, silk, wool, etc. Next one, it is one of the disinfectant crops, plants in agriculture. Next one, structure of, draw the structure of sulfur dioxide. We know that oxygen has 6 electron in outermost shell. 1 electron derived from the sulfur. So oxygen is surrounded with the sulfur by single bond and double bond, and p pi electrons and d pi electrons arises due to, and p pi electron and d pi electron overlapping. Yes, is another form. Suppose an electron come from here to form double bond, the cation of sulfur to form oxygen. Okay, is very important, 2 mark question. Draw the structure of sulfur dioxide. Yes, in sulfur dioxide, sulfur arises sp2 hybridization, and s orbital and p orbital is combining to form sp2 hybridization. Here the double bond arises due to p orbital pi electron and d orbital pi electron overlapping. So this is very important, 1 mark question. How to formation of double bond between the sulfur and oxygen to form, and the p orbital pi electron and d orbital pi electron overlapping. Okay students, we will meet next class with another topic. Thank you.